Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I didn't get around to doing Neptune yesterday, so I'm actually going to be talking about today. There is not a lot of info on Neptune, so it's pretty much a very short, quick, brief info on Neptune. Alright, once again, I'm sorry I didn't get to do this yesterday for you guys. Okay, which was Saturday here in Australia, which will have been Friday over in the US. So I'm sorry once again. Okay, so I'm doing this today. Alright, like I said, it's quick, short, easy, snap, it's bang. Done. Okay. And after Neptune, I'm going to give you a few heads up of what's to come. But first, I'm going to read this out quickly. Neptune is the furthest planet in our solar system, an ice giant known for its extreme cold and supersonic winds. And it was the first planet discovered through mathematical predictions rather than through the naked eye for observation. Neptune gets its signature blue color from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects the blue light. This planet features giant recurring storms, the largest of which is known as the Great Dark Spot. And its largest moon, Triton, has a unique nitrogen gas. I don't know what the word is that I wrote down from the internet, but I'm just going to call it gas because nitrogen is a gas. Alright? And that's easier for me to say. I just want to clarify that, okay? Because there are some words I can't pronounce. So if I can't pronounce a word, I'll interpret it to a word that I'm familiar with or known for it to be. So yes, nitrogen gas. Now, that's pretty much everything to do with Neptune. Now, for the upcoming event for Australia, in September, we have a lunar eclipse from the 7th to the 8th of September for Australia. I did post that up on my Instagram. And I think I may have posted up on my fan page on Facebook, like the dates and times. So that's happening. So this is going to be the longest lunar eclipse this year in September. I know there's a recent lunar eclipse that happened, but Australia didn't get to see that one. But there is one that's been predicted to happen this year in September between the 7th and the 8th, and it's predicted to be the longest eclipse. Alright. The end time is 4 minutes past 11 is the end time of the eclipse. So if you're in Australian Eastern Standard Time Zone, you will have the chance to see the lunar eclipse in September between the 7th and the 8th. Alright, so that's a bit of a heads up. That's pretty much all for this video today, was Neptune and the eclipse. So, I'm sorry I didn't get to mention all this to you yesterday. I'm glad I actually did it today. Got it over and done with. So yeah, that actually took me by surprise that there's hardly no information on Neptune, just what showed up on the internet. I know, maybe you guys might do some more research on Neptune, see if you guys can find some more information for your kids to help out with the homework. But for what I just read, that's pretty much everything I could find on Neptune. By the way, Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system, as well as it being the furthest planet in our solar system. I just wanted to point that out to you guys, alright, before I end this video on a short note. And I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video when I'm ready to do my next one. I'm not sure what planet I'll be doing next. I gotta go through all the planets that I've done so far and pick one. I might actually do the moon this time. So, yep. Okay, I said I'm going to do the moon. I think our space exploration is actually coming to an end, because I've pretty much said everything I wanted to say about space, pretty much. So, I don't have much left to do. And then I'll be going back to doing my old videos again. Yay! Lucky me. I'd have to find a new topic to talk about. Oh dear. And yes, I do actually need to clean up. I've been trying to clean up, but it just isn't happening. I have tried. Believe me, I have tried it. It's just not happening. I have way too much stuff. And I got rid of a lot of stuff at the beginning of this year. And I still have too much. So, yeah, it's really annoying, actually, if you ask me. And the trouble is, I don't buy a lot of things, so I don't know where it's all coming from. Most of the things I buy is clothing. I don't buy stuff that would junk up my room. But unfortunately, I have things that junk up my room. Anyway. And as for my cats, I know I haven't posted my cats in my shorts for a long time. I'm going to start doing that again. I know I posted my mum's cat recently, Reggie. I've not posted the other 2 cats yet. I am sorry, I will actually include them in my videos, in my short videos. Again, I'm going to start doing that. Filming them. Because I know the cats get 1,000 views, and that's pretty much unbelievable if you ask me. And I didn't realize how many cat people were out there still. But obviously there are still cat people out there, and you know, I do want a dog, but having a dog isn't happening right now. But and I got cats, so stick with the cats. I don't know if I'll have any more pets after the last lot of animals. I don't know. Maybe that's something for me to think about. Anyway, I'll let you guys go now, and I'll see you whenever. If you like my YouTube channel, then smash the subscribe button, hit the like button on my videos. Notifications bell is optional. You can hit the notifications bell if you want updates. Comments and questions are always left down below, and please always be mindful of what you say to me, okay, in the comments. I don't tolerate bullying, as you've already seen that for yourself. Alright, so I'll see you guys whenever. Bye.